Hi everyone. Are you ready for the session today? But for that, you have to continue the energy what you are showing right now. It means you have to feel so much happy because today's session is going to be something like that. It's going to be funny story narration. It means you all are supposed to create funny stories. But there is a small twist. और ट्विस्ट ये है कि ऑब्जेक्ट्स आपको स्टोरीज के लिए मेरी तरफ से दिए जाएंगे और आपको उन्हीं ऑब्जेक्ट से एक स्टोरी कन्वर्ट करनी है जो कि फनी भी हो, इंटरेस्टिंग भी हो. बट द मेन मोटिव ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दिस सेशन इज नॉट जस्ट टू सी योर क्रिएटिविटी बट ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू सी योर स्टोरी टेलिंग नरेशन. हाउ वन अपग्रेड्स देयर स्टोरी टेलिंग क्रिएटिविटी. एंड बाय दिस हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का मेन मोटिव ये सेशंस करवाने का ये होता है जिससे वो अपनी क्रिएटिविटी, कॉन्फिडेंस और ऑन द स्पॉट अपने इमोशंस को जनरेट करना सीखे, जो कि मेनली किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, चाहे वो हिंदी हो या फिर कोई और लैंग्वेज. अभी आप जब ये सेशन देखेंगे यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट सिर्फ स्टोरीज नहीं सुनाएंगे, वो अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज, अपने इमोशंस और साथ ही साथ on the spot creativity को generate करना सीखेंगे. So let's have a look and let's see how will they do it. So ready guys?
Yes,
Okay. So first I'm going to tell you 4 to 5 objects what you have to add in the story. So toilet paper, aeroplane, dustbin, bedroom, Monty. Ready? Now you have to create a funny is the name of a boy. So I want Ananya and Ashmita to start. Ready guys?
Yes,
So your time begins now.
Once upon a time, in aeroplane, there was two sisters. One was Monty and one was Tonty. It was the first time of them. They was traveling in aeroplane. Then they were traveling in aeroplane, and one of them got pressure, and she was going to the bathroom, but it was locked from inside, and there was someone, and she is getting pressure by that someone is inside. And then when the person came out from the door, she went inside, and
Stop.
then she went inside, and then she was not knowing that how to use it. Then she told to her sister that there is no water, how will I use it? Then she somehow managed it, and when she flushed it, when she flushed it, the boy started coming. She got very much tense and said
Stop.
to her sister. She got tensed and then tell to her sister that the voice is coming from this shower. And then her sister told her that turn off the shower and go with the toilet paper. Then she go with the toilet paper and washed it.
Next. Ending.
After using it, then she told to her mother the whole story, and the mother of them give the moral to them that you should know how to use aeroplane, a washroom, and be hygienic all time.
First of all, I would say one thing. Story was fine, but could have been more interesting. Why so? The moment when you started up your story, your brain started leading in this way that I wanted to just speak something interesting. And when you lead your brain to speak something interesting, nothing comes. So stop expecting your brain to take out something. Go normal, something will be surely there. You people were so quick. You were not narrating the story. You were giving a presentation, it was looking like. बहुत जल्दी था. First, you're supposed to maintain the calmness. And second thing, in between, you made some grammatical mistakes. As like, go. You should have said went. Right? And the another mistake was between the places. जब आप बता रहे थे, she was going. So she went. And then she see the shower. It was not a shower. It was a flush. Right? So there were some mismanagement in the words too. Okay. But what made your story bit normal, not so interesting, that was only the rush in which you were speaking. खत्म कर. Okay. Voice intonation भी नहीं आ पाया. Okay. One day, there was a family which was a bit confusing family, a tagline should be given to them. So-called Monty, that sister's name, Monty and Tonty. This was something fun, which brought the fun. अब हम सोचेंगे इनकी qualities क्या होगी, ऐसा कुछ. Okay?
One day, there was a boy. He was traveling to the foreign country. His name was Rohit. When he was in the airplane, he met the air hostess. And it turned out to be his bigger sister. He was very shocked. He was like, wait, I didn't know you had a job. I thought you were unemployed. And she said, I made content. It is not unemployed. I was an influencer. He was like, still the same thing.
Next.
And do you know, in that aeroplane, his brother also came, known as Monty. And let me tell you an interesting fact of Monty. He was too craziest to do, means as like we can say na, that going somewhere, saying the places, and he want to go in washroom of the aeroplane because he went in the aeroplane first time. And when he went in the washroom, he said that there is no tissue paper.
Stop.
He was panicked. He was like, what should I do now? And he noticed it after he had done his job. And now he was in big trouble. He couldn't even ask his bigger sister, or else she would be teasing him all the time because he was the biggest of the family. And he was trapped. He didn't know what to do. And he sat in the washroom till the plane landed and flushed down and didn't even wash it. He just pulled up his pants and went to the hotel and said, whatever happens there, it would go. He noticed there was
Next.
And in the hotel, they booked a bedroom. And when they went in the bedroom, they are too thirsty. Firstly, they drank water. And then Monty, what about Monty? He slept on the bedroom. And after sleeping, he see that I didn't wash. So guys, what happened really?
Next. Last.
really his pants were ruined. And now his sister also knew because his white pants became brown. And also yellow because he slept after drinking water because they were very thirsty. Then they cleaned the bed because hotels have white bed sheets that were also ruined. And now they were confused. What should we do? How can we wash it? How would we do it? And the day was ruined. The moral of the story is be prepared for everything. You may never know when the tissue paper runs out.
Nice. So the moral of the story is take care of tissue paper. Is it available or not in washroom? By the way, about the story, I would say it was fun and interesting, and there was suspense in their story. That was what I liked the most. But something what should be corrected and from next time should not be repeated. That's about very first your voice intonation. It was coming least. Like there should be an excitement in such situation as like the moment when he lie down on bed, something was cheesy. Something was smelling badly. And one could not find it. What was that? Even Monty himself couldn't. Now see, this is bringing the energy. And people were like, oh my God, Monty, something has happened. But they don't know Monty is the only reason. That's how. Okay? Now, in which free of fun would be created? Okay?